In this video, I'll be showing you how you can log in or access your Telegram account on your laptop or computer. Okay, now logging Telegram on computer or laptop is quite simple. Just come to your browser, tap on it, and on the search here, come here and enter this. You can see desktop.telegram.org. Enter. It will bring you into Telegram official page. You can see here Telegram desktop. So come here and tap this. Get Telegram for Windows. Tap on it. And you can see right here I'm getting Telegram for Windows. So wait for this to finish. Okay, you can see done. And if you're done getting Telegram for desktop, you can come on this. You can see here show in folder. Tap here and it takes you into the file folder. Here is it. So double click on it. You get this pop-up. Tap on OK. You get this. Tap on next. You get this. Tap on yes. You get this. Tap on next. You get this also. Tap on next. And you get this. Tap on this install. You get this. Tap on next. You can see it's finishing. So you're getting it set up. You can see right here finish. Tap on this finish. You're done. Now if I go back to my computer home screen, you can see right here Telegram. You can see the desktop version right here. Double click on it and you get this pop-up here. If it opens, you see here start messaging. Tap on it and you can get here. You can log in through two ways, either by scanning your own account to this QR code or by logging in using your phone number. For instance, if I want to scan the QR code to log in, I'll go to my phone Telegram and tap on my Telegram. If I tap on my Telegram on my phone, you can see here settings. I'll tap on settings, and on settings I'll scroll a bit down and you see here devices. I'll tap on these devices, and on these devices you can see here link desktop device. You can tap on this link desktop device and you get this camera. You can bring it and scan right here to log in. But if you want to log in through phone number, for instance, then you can come on this login using phone number, your Telegram phone number. You can tap on it. So right now you can come here and choose your country. Okay, so after that, come here and input the phone number on your Telegram. So I'll put my own phone number. If you put your phone number, you tap on this next, and at this point you can see here on my phone here Telegram has sent me a code. I'll tap here and open it and you can see here login code. I'll come here and enter the code. So as soon as I enter the code, you will see here automatically I will log in, or I'll be logging into my desktop. You can see that right now I've logged in Telegram on my desktop. I can enlarge the page. You can see it right. Look at, I can scroll through my contacts. You can see that I've logged in Telegram into my desktop. I can come right here. You can see and tap here. I can go to my profile. You can see I can go to settings and all that. So guys, that is it. It's very simple, and that's how you can actually log in Telegram on your desktop, computer or laptop. Thanks for watching and bye.